Well, this is a rollover due to high winds. That is what happens when you get into high winds and going too fast on empty load. High wind operations are very dangerous, and the reason is you don't see the wind. So you feel secure, and before you know it, you roll. I've seen that many times, and if you look through my videos, you see one actually happen while I was driving. Now notice the trees. That is how you read the wind. That wind right there is about 35-40 miles an hour. Now look at the leaning of that truck. Notice how it's leaning to the left. That is the wind pushing it. You're gonna see here in a second how it moves. It's buffeting. Now this traffic on the east side is completely shut down because that truck is completely blocking the highway. So it might take them anywhere from 6 to 7 hours before they clear that, especially if the trailer is loaded. So I feel for these people, especially them fellows on motorcycles and with children. And so it is important, it is imperative for professional drivers to learn to read their environment, and that is something they no longer teach. And it used to be at one time where drivers communicate to one another, where drivers share anecdotes and they share experiences, but that no longer happens. We are being divided so bad that we no longer transfer knowledge to one another. It's a matter of fact that we sit at restaurants apart. And that is the result. The result is accidents, lack of experience and knowledge. So you professional drivers, when you see high wind, bad weather, slow down, slow down. And stay away from your phones, and stay away from talking to your wife, and whatever you do, make sure that you are capable of doing it. Make sure you are well trained to do whatever you need to be doing. Well, let's keep moving freight over the United States of America highways.